Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, in continuation with the fungal diseases, I am going to talk about nail fungus. As you know, there are numerous medicines that are available in the market when you go to the chemist with nail fungus, and there are various antifungals that are available in the market. But the thing is, people keep on trying, eating one medicine after another, one medicine after another, until the point they are applying these ointments on the nails. Nails become somewhat good, but once they stop applying any ointment, again nail fungus grows. And in this text, what happens, people keep eating medicine, sometimes 6 months, 7 months, and these antifungal medicines, they are not liver friendly, though when they are taken in overdoses, they become toxic for liver. Then next suggestion comes, like it's best to remove the nail to get rid of this fungus, because sometimes because of this fungus there is some kind of oozing blood from the nails. Mostly this nail fungus happens in the big toe or sometime in hand nails or fingernails. So these are the most common sites for nail fungus. So let's see how Ayurveda deals with this nail fungus. In Ayurveda, they don't consider fungus only is limited to nails, because as you know, Ayurveda is a system of treating systems like digestive system, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, any nervous system. So all is system. Ayurveda is something which treat a person system wise. Like they treated whole system. It is not possible like they are treating only one, they are targeting only one organ, like allopathy medicine, like Western medicine. They are very target oriented medicines, like this medicine is going to impact liver. And in Ayurveda, the medicines are not target oriented, they are more of system oriented. So when it comes to fungus, whenever we talk about fungus, Ayurveda considered it is an whole system. According to Ayurveda, to some extent whole of your system getting impacted by this fungus, not only nails. That's why in Ayurveda, in treating fungus, the first and foremost concept comes, that is immunity. So all those people who are having less immunity or whose system is immunocompromised, those people are more prone to fungus. This fungus can be nail fungus, this fungus can be systemic fungus. So another thing, those who are taking cancer drugs, or chemotherapies, these patients are also prone to fungal infections. In addition to that, those people who are taking AIDS medicine, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS everybody know, I need not to put the full form, or these people who are taking very strong antivirals, these people are more prone to these nail fungus sometimes or fungus in the system. So in short, all those people who have low immunity, they are more prone to fungus. So what we can do to enhance our immunity? We need to work on our digestive fire. How we can work on our digestive fire? By focusing on your food, on your diet, on your lifestyle, yoga and pranayama. So these all wings which you can apply on almost all diseases if you want to uproot the disease from your system. So first and foremost things regarding immunity, what you can do, please try to have organically fresh food. Seasonal fruits include in your diet, a big bowl of fruits you can have in the morning. In addition to that, always have freshly cooked meals and try to consume it within 3 hours of cooking. Also include yoga and pranayama and meditation. Try to live a stress-free life, anxiety and pain-free life, because they all things are going to impact your immune system. So whatever we can do from medicine aspect for immune system, that is enhancing your digestive fire. Regarding digestive fiber, there are various videos. Regarding fruits, there are various videos we have created. Regarding immunity also, various videos we have created. The link of those videos are in down description. You can click on these videos and you can make use of it. How to enhance immunity, how to make daily regime better, what are the various techniques to enhance immunity. So this is one way of looking at fungus. Another way of looking at these fungus problems is those people who are more of Kapha body type or whose composition is contains more Kapha. They are more prone to itching and fungal infections because their skin is mostly wet, and there is more possibility like these kind of fungus grows on these surfaces. So, all those people who have Kapha body type, they are more prone to fungal infections. So, should we get scared, all the Kapha people? No, you should not get scared. It is just for your awareness. There are various do's and don'ts that you should include in your life so that you will not land into fungal kind of situations. All those of you who are watching me for the first time, they have no idea what is this body type. Regarding that, there is a link below, how to know your doshas. Please watch our video, answer in a comment section, and we will let you know what body constitution you belong to. If you are more of Kapha prone, then what you can do, try to include exercise more in your life. Go for a walk for 1 or 2 kilometers daily. Try to have always freshly cooked food, warm food. In addition to that, remove all the junk foods from your system, like all the packed tin food. This is not so good. Try to purchase from farmers so that the food and fruits will be fresh. In addition to that, cut down all the artificial sugars from your diet so that it will not aggravate the Kapha dosh, because these Kapha people, they are naturally more prone to having sweets and excessive sweets, and sometimes they eat a lot of sweets that can aggravate the fungal infection. So, first and foremost thing that you need to do, reduce the sugar from your diet so that these itchy situations or these more prone fungal situations can be removed from the possibility. In addition to that, it is very important, like whether this fungus is fungus or some kind of bacterial infection, because sometimes you must have seen like here some skin comes out, that is biotin deficiency nail bed, and sometimes pus kind of point formed here in the nail bed, and many times people misdiagnose it with fungus. It has pus discharge here, and also there will be pain and inflammation, that is redness. So, that one is not fungal infection, that is bacterial infection. But for fungal infection, what is the best way to recognize it? Little bit it start with some red spot, but after that what happen, you will see there will be scales on the skin, and once you rub it, like some skin started coming out. So, this is the very clear cut diagnosis from fungus and bacterial infection, but still if scales are coming out, it is better that you visit skin specialist and confirm like this is a fungal infection. How it can be confirmed? They take a sample from your this area, some scaly scales they will take out, and then they will do proper diagnosis, and then they will let you know that you have fungal infection of nail or skin or whatever. But the most common thing about this nail fungal infection is the nail started becoming black, and the temperature, there is no pain, but some kind of itchy or unpleasant kind of sensation that happens either on the fingernail or on the toenail. So, regarding that, like I have mentioned, immunity, lifestyle, this is very important, yoga, meditation, very important. In addition to that, other things that you can apply is purification of the blood. How purification of the blood can be done naturally, that is using neem powder. Neem, neem leaves, if you have neem leaves in your place, you take these leaves, dry it up and make it in a powder form, and use half teaspoon of this powder daily with warm water. This will purify your blood. In addition to that, there are certain neem tablets also available in the market. You can make use of it, but make sure you purchase it from a trustworthy brand. Don't go just randomly and pick something. Make sure that they have proper manufacturing license, and they are authorized by government to sell these medicines in the market. Don't just go and randomly pick anything or online just purchase anything. It is very important that whenever you are taking Ayurveda medicine, it should have proper manufacturing license, because without manufacturing license anybody can start selling anything, and that is of no use. You should have proper manufacturing license so that we can trust that thing. And this license procedure, I would like to tell you this, it is not very easy, you just make at home and start giving. It's not like that. There is a whole protocol set by the government and the various kind of organization, institutions which test these drugs in the laboratories. After that various trials happen, after that they are suitable for human consumption. So it is very important that you always, whenever you are taking even neem leaves or neem tablets, they should have gone through proper protocol so that they will cause only health to you. Because many times this is a myth going on, like Ayurveda medicines can be just taken like this, so it is not true. You need to go through standard protocols, only then those medicines can come in the market. And if you do not want to have medicine, you can always go to your tree, pluck some leaves, and these leaves you powder it, and then you can consume it with warm water. But these neem leaves are a little bit bitter in taste, so do not get scared, because neem means bitter because it is a blood purifier. So this is one thing that you can do. You can have this neem leaves powder for 40 days, and you will see like this fungus will start going out of the system naturally. For local application, what you can do, there is a thing called potash alum. You can take this water, the potash, very simple, potash alum is the thing. We also call it in Tankan in Ayurveda, Tankan bhasam, that is made up of potash alum. So you just dip it in water and wash your fungus with this water in which potash alum has been dipped. So that will also be extremely beneficial in these kind of fungal infections. Make sure don't drink it, just you need to soak it, soak your hand, don't drink it. I am not asking for drinking, just soaking. Soak for 10 minutes and take out, and just then dry it properly with some towel or something. After that, there is a very common oil that is available in the market, neem oil. You can also apply neem oil on this area. That is also very beneficial, because in Ayurveda, neem is considered as kitanu ghana. That is, it removes all the microbes, whatever the small microbes are, it just removes them from your system. So this neem oil you can apply on the area wherever you have this fungal infection. So if your fungal infection will not be very severe, it will get cured naturally. But if you think like it is for ages and it's very big, then I recommend that you go to the doctor, and if this fungus also has spread in your system, that is very important. You take a professional diagnosis, that is go to the skin specialist and see what can be done about it, because whatever the procedures I have told you, it is from mild to moderate infections. If it is very severe, then definitely you need to go in emergency or rush to the hospital to take a proper line of treatment with Western medicine, maybe operation also. So many people say, oh, you are Ayurveda doctor and you are not against allopathy. No, I am not against any pathy, because I believe we should take all the good things from whichever pathy it is, whether it is yoga, Ayurveda or Western medicine or homeopathy, Siddha or Unani medicine, anything, even Tibetan medicine. If there is something good, we should take it for the health or well-being, because all pathies are basically designed to provide health and well-being to the person, not to feed our egos. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like this video. If you have any question, please write down those questions. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time, there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon. You can hit the bell icon, you can click the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.